Welcome to this tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to use your phone as a clinical camera. To start, this feature is available in all screens where you have the option to add an image. For the purpose of the video, we will be using the general examination form. In this form, navigate to the physical examination panel. In this panel is an option where you can add an image. Click on the Add Image button. The video capture window will then pop up. To add an image from your phone, click on the Load from External Source button. The Manage External Files window will then pop up. In this window, you will see a URL link. This is the link that you need to open on your phone. Take note that we will now move to your phone's screen. Now, on your phone, go to that URL using your internet browser, preferably Google Chrome. You will be directed to your practice's GoodX capture site. Log in using your username and password you will use to log into your GoodX web. You will be directed to the Capture an Image or Video screen. This is where you will adjust your phone's camera to take a photo and/or video. There are 3 buttons at the bottom of which you can see. The orange arrow button, Camera Source, allows you to choose different camera sources. These camera sources include a colored and black and white filter, as well as the option to choose between the back or the front-facing camera. Simply click on the button to go through the options. The middle green camera button is your photo button. Simply click on it to take your photo. The right green camera button is your video button. To start taking your video, click on it and record. Once you are done recording your video, click on the only green button. After taking your photo or video, you can choose to either upload it onto your GoodX web or delete it and start over. To upload your photo or video, click on the green Upload button that is indicated by the upload icon. To delete your photo or video, click on the orange Delete button that is indicated by a cross icon. Once you have successfully uploaded your video or photo, you can click on the OK and go back to your computer or laptop where you will have your GoodX web open. On your GoodX web Manage External Files window, you will then find your uploaded photos and videos you took with your phone. You can now click on the photo or video and then click on the Select button to add it to your form. The photo or video is now uploaded. Click on the Save button to save the photo on your patient's file.